Welcome to Titan Post Drivers, and thank you for choosing the PGD1032 or PGD1032H Farm and Home Series driver. Built for homeowners, farmers, ranchers, and other agricultural use, PGD1032 drivers deliver the power and reliability you need to drive T-post, pipe, ground rods, and other post materials up to 3.2 inches in diameter. Your driver comes equipped with a carrying case, bottle of engine oil, grease, a set of steel adapter sleeves, and a toolkit to help you get started right out of the box. Before operating your Titan driver, take a moment to review a few important safety and setup steps. Always wear proper personal protective equipment, including safety glasses, gloves, hearing protection, and steel-toe boots. Ensure your work area is clear of obstacles and that your post is properly positioned and stable before driving. Before first use, be sure to check your driver's grease level and engine oil. Confirm that all bolts and fittings are secure, and ensure that the correct adapter sleeve is installed for your post type. Make sure to refer to your user manual for full, detailed pre-operation instructions. When operating your driver, use both hands to maintain a firm grip and stable stance, and always keep hands and feet clear of the driving area. Maintain approximately 10 to 12 pounds of down pressure while driving posts. To keep your Titan driver performing at its best, regular maintenance is essential. This includes checking oil and grease before each day of use and changing O-rings yearly if used frequently. For detailed maintenance schedules and procedures, always refer to your owner's manual or visit our website. Thanks again for choosing Titan Post Drivers. For more information, support, and accessories, visit TitanPostDrivers.com and get the most out of your equipment.